Are you looking for the best digital pool water testers? In this video, we'll take a look at 5 of the best digital pool water testers available on the market today. Whether you're a pool owner looking to maintain crystal clear water, monitor pH and chlorine levels, or ensure a safe swimming environment, we've got the perfect options for you. Before we get started, we've included links to all the products featured in this video in the description below. Be sure to check them out to find the best digital pool water tester that fits your needs and budget. Now, let's dive into our picks for the top 5 best digital pool water testers. Number 1. Hoffen Pool Salt Tester and pH Meter. Hoffen Pool Salt Tester is a versatile and convenient tool that can improve your water quality in various applications. Whether you want to test the quality of your drinking water, monitor the pH balance in your swimming pool or spa, or measure the salinity in your aquarium or hydroponics system, this digital pH meter has got you covered. With its reliable TDS meter, you can quickly and accurately measure the water quality, thanks to its premium quality titanium alloy probe. The easy operation design allows you to effortlessly switch to the salinity function, making it user-friendly. The meter also offers 3 display designs, eliminating the need for complex calculations and ensuring easy result reading. With its multiple functions, including salinity, TDS, EC, pH, and temperature measurement, this multi-parameter water test meter is a must-have for ensuring water quality safety. What we like: wide usage, reliable TDS meter, easy operation. Number 2. WWD Pool 2-Way Test Kit for Chlorine and pH. The WWD Pool Swimming Pool Spa Water Chemical Test Kit for Chlorine and pH Test is a 2-way test kit that allows you to test for OTO, Cl, and pH levels in your pool water. It includes a Clearview water testing unit with an accurate measuring scale and an integrated color for easy reading of chemical leaves. The kit also includes 1/2 an ounce bottle chlorine test solution, 1/2 an ounce bottle pH test solution, a plastic tester, and a carrying case. The kit is easy to use. Just fill each test tube with pool water, add 4 drops of the proper solution into each test tube, put the test tube caps on, shake the testing block and check the chloride, bromine and pH readings. It is important to use it before the expiration date printed on the back of the case. What we like: easy to use, accurate readings, inexpensive, great customer support, good for beginners. Number 3. Dr.Tim.Wang Pool and Hot Tub Test Strips. Dr.Tim.Wang Pool Test Strips are the perfect solution for maintaining crystal clear and healthy water in your pool, hot tub, or spa. This 4-in-1 pool test kit tests all necessary parameters, including pH, free chlorine, bromine, total alkalinity and cyanuric acid, providing quick and reliable results. The kit comes with 100 test strips, which are easy to use. Just dip them in the water for 2 seconds, place them horizontally for 15ths, and compare the color table on the bottle to get clear and accurate water quality results. Dr.Tim.Wang Pool Test Strips use medical-grade precision technology, ensuring accuracy and reliability. As a trusted brand with years of commercial experience, these pool test strips have undergone millions of scientific tests and improvements based on real user feedback. What we like: accurate readings, easy to use, quick results, good value, convenient dispenser. Number 4. Taylor K05 DPD Pool Test Kit. The Taylor K05 DPD Pool Test Kit is a reliable and convenient solution for testing the water in your pool or spa. With everything you need conveniently packaged in a handy storage case, including a comparator and 13 easy-to-use reagents, this kit allows you to test for 9 common water parameters such as free and total chlorine, bromine, pH, acid and base demand, total alkalinity, calcium hardness, and cyanuric acid. The quick and easy-to-use design allows you to collect your water sample, mix it with the appropriate reagents, and determine the results in seconds. The durable construction of this kit ensures that you'll only need to replace the reagents, making it built to last. Whether you're a homeowner or a professional, Taylor products are designed to meet professional standards while being user-friendly. Plus, with unparalleled customer service and support, Taylor is the trusted choice for water testing. Made in the USA since 1930, you can rely on Taylor for the highest quality water testing equipment on the market. What we like: easy to use, clear instructions, comprehensive testing, cost saving, includes educational materials. Number 5. Oraxy 5-in-1 Pool Salt Tester. The Oraxy 5-in-1 Pool Salt Tester is an easy-to-use digital tester that helps you accurately measure the salinity, pH, TDS, EC, and temperature levels of your pool or hot tub. It comes with calibration instructions, 3 additional batteries, a cleaning brush, and a wrist strap. Customers have found it to be accurate and reliable, and it's a great way to save time and money compared to using test strips. What we like: accurately measures salinity, pH, TDS, EC, and temperature levels. Comes with calibration instructions, 3 additional batteries, a cleaning brush, and a wrist strap. Saves time and money compared to using test strips.